Ever look at your monthly electric bill and feel like you're reading a foreign language? You see a total amount due, but the logic behind it is hidden behind a wall of numbers and abbreviations. Out of all the fine print on that page, there is one specific three-letter combination that determines exactly what you pay: kWh. But what exactly is the power company measuring when they bill you for a kilowatt hour? Understanding this one acronym is the first step toward tracking, controlling your home's power, and finally lowering your costs. Think of the process of powering your entire home as if you were taking a continuous month-long road trip. Every device you plug in operates at a certain speed. We measure that exact speed in watts. A device's wattage is like a speedometer. It tells you how fast that appliance is using energy at any given second. If watts are the speedometer, a kilowatt hour is your odometer. It tracks the total energy you've used over time. Your utility company doesn't bill based on how fast your appliances go. They only charge for the total distance recorded on that odometer. To lower your bill, you have to focus on how far your appliances drive, not just how fast they use power. Let's look at the speeds of a few common household items. A standard laptop is a slow cruiser, drawing about 60 watts while you work. Compare that to a central air conditioning unit. The AC is like a race car, moving at 4,000 watts. Now, look at how time changes things. This 12-watt LED light bulb uses so little power that it has to run for 83 straight hours before the odometer records a single kilowatt hour. But the air conditioner moves so much faster that it reaches that same kilowatt hour in just 15 minutes. This is exactly why summer cooling bills are so high. Those 15-minute bursts happen all day long, and they add up quickly. High-wattage devices rack up miles much faster, which makes the amount of time they are running the most important factor in your home's energy use. You can calculate the energy distance of any appliance in your house with 3 simple steps. First, find the wattage. This is usually printed on a manufacturer's sticker on the back or the bottom of the device. Second, multiply that wattage by the hours used. If a 1,000-watt coffee maker runs for 5 hours a month, that equals 5,000 watt-hours. Finally, divide that number by 1,000 to get your kilowatt hours. In this case, 5,000 divided by 1,000 gives us 5 kilowatt hours. This formula translates the activity of any appliance into the exact language your power company uses to charge you. Now that we have the kilowatt hours, we can see how much that activity actually costs you. Most utility companies charge a set rate for every kilowatt hour. Let's use 12 cents as a sample rate. If we take our coffee maker's 5 kilowatt hours and multiply them by 12 cents, we get 60 cents. That means an entire month of brewing your morning coffee costs you about 60 cents in electricity. Translating these numbers into dollars removes the mystery from your bill and shows you the real cost of your daily habits. Having this information makes managing your home's budget much easier. Saving money doesn't mean you have to sit in the dark. LED lights have a very low speed, so they contribute very little to your total. The real impact comes from identifying the high wattage appliances and being more mindful of how long they are on the road. You now have the knowledge needed to read your bill, audit your appliances, and take charge of your energy usage.